Hi, welcome to this channel, Always a Bull. I am Srinivas Rao Kulkarni and I have been into stock markets for more than 7 years now, and I've had my own share of learnings from the market moments. In this channel, I'll share information related to the stock market that could be of help. So friends, there are more than 17 crore demat accounts in India and the number of accounts are increasing. That only shows the number of participants who are investing in stock markets. But what percentage of these traders, investors are making gains or building wealth? I'm not sure. So in this video, I'll discuss about why invest in stock markets, different types of analysis of the stocks, stock selection, buying approach, importance of emotions, greed and panic, and what is the best time to buy, sell a stock, and also some stocks with a short-term view that I have analyzed as of today. So why invest in stock market? There are various reasons that interest me to invest in stock markets. The first being ease of account opening and operating. Anybody who wants to invest, trade in stock market can easily open an account these days. It hardly takes 1 or 2 days with little documentation, and it is easy to operate because there are mobile apps available. With a smartphone, one can install and operate the account from the mobile app. And once an investment is made, by some stocks, it is easy to track the progress of investment. At any point of time, you will know the current market price of the stock and the price at which you have invested, and therefore what is the status. So it is easy to track the investments. From a long-term perspective, it is a very good way to build wealth, and the compounding benefit that the stocks offer could be of immense help in long-term financial planning. Markets also offer diversification of funds into various sectors like banking, financial services, telecom, oil and gas. One can diversify where to invest. And stock markets offer liquidity in terms of we can sell our holdings on any day, and within few days the cash is in our bank account. We can invest in stock market for the dividends that certain stocks offer. And finally, from a long-term planning perspective, one can invest in stock market for the retirement planning and long-term goals. So these are various reasons which have interested me in stock market, and therefore I continue to invest in stock market and learn from it. Before I talk about the buying process or the approach, let me talk about different ways to analyze a stock. There is fundamental analysis and there is technical analysis. Fundamental analysis, one goes through various financial statements of the company, the sector, industry, growth in the sector, and various such aspects, and then make the decision to invest in a particular stock. Technical analysis is more to do with the stock behavior in the past and what could be the possible behavior in the future based on the past trend, pattern, and various other aspects. So I am into technical analysis and I am learning every single day different aspects of technical analysis. And how do we go about stock selection? So we can use any of these approaches, fundamental analysis or technical analysis, to buy a stock. While buying a stock, there's one method that I have liked and I'm following, which I would like to share here. When we decide on a particular stock and we have decided how much money to invest in a particular stock, we can always buy a part of it. It could vary. I mean, in my case, I like to invest 50% of the fund that I have planned in a particular stock initially. And based on the stock movement, if it goes down slightly, I invest or buy 25% more quantity, and in case there's a further dip in the stock, then I buy or add more quantity, 25% more quantity. This percentage can vary and it is personal discussion. It could be 20% every time, depending on the downward movement. This basically in those stocks where I have analyzed and have a high conviction that it will go up in spite of the dip that comes in that particular stock. So this is a buying process, and while booking profits also, there are many times where we feel we have sold the stock and suddenly it went up further high. In such a case, what I believe is that I would like to follow an approach where I sell the stocks holdings worth the capital that I have invested in that particular stock and hold profit worth of shares in the market for any higher movement. So that's one approach. However, one can book complete profits and look at the next stock to invest in. So this is one approach I would like to share. I wanted to share. And yeah, let us look at the current market scenario. Nifty has been going down from the highs that it has made few months back. This is today's chart, and the open, high, low, close are all on the screen. And yeah, that's about this chart today. I would like to share a disclaimer here. I am not a SEBI registered advisor, and the analysis that I am sharing as part of this channel is completely for educational purposes. Please do not construe it for a financial advice. Any decisions based on the information provided is at your own risk. So please consult your own financial advisor or a SEBI registered analyst for making your investment decisions. And like I mentioned some time back, I would like to share two stocks that I am tracking currently, and I would like to invest in a small part of fund for next few months. One is Krebs Biochemicals. The current market price is 104.14 on NSE, and Sequence Scientific with the current market price of 203.32. Friends, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share. Thank you so much.